By the way, I promise I'm not going to be very long, because the sunshine is out, the pubs are beckoning, and that certainly includes me, and I dare say everybody else here. Friends, colleagues, comrades, I think the common thread that's come through this year's rally is that there isn't someone somewhere representing thousands who are either in struggle, who are on strike, who are on fighting justice. And in a nutshell, comrades, that is the reality of the society we now live in. And I want to start by echoing what was said upstairs. Let's all give a huge round of applause to the Birmingham strike bin workers who've been on strike for weeks and weeks and weeks. And their only sin was to fight against the fact that the council wanted to cut their pay by 20%. And of course, if you ask the council executives, does that apply to you? Of course the answer is no. One rule for them, one rule for the rest of us. The same goes for the struggle won by the UCU here in Cardiff. Of course they're the first to recognise we have to fight that battle again. And this time to save 400 jobs, to save the nurses, student sessions up in the Heath Hospital. And what is the manager telling them? We can't afford this. We have to make 400 jobs redundancy. This comes from a Deputy Chancellor who's on £300,000 a year. And her expenses bill was $112,000 last year. Again, one row for them and another row for the rest of us. And finally today we have to make absolutely clear that we support the rights of all disability people who are fighting these horrendous cuts introduced by Starmer. In fact, if he's talking about he wants cuts because there's no avoidance to it, well, we debate that argument. But if he's saying we need the cuts because we've got to spend defence because of tariff or from Trump, we'll have that separate debate. But my question is, my point is this: why don't you tax the bloody millionaires to get that money instead of the ordinary people in this country? But of course it's not only in Britain. Capitalism throughout the world is now in crisis. And as the crisis gets worse, so does the capitalists' greed. In America now,